Today I'm here to try these two zero sugar, clearly Canadian drinks. They're sparkling water beverages made with water from natural Canadian springs. This one is Citrus Medley, and then this one is Tropical Splash. And they do use stevia leaf extract as the sweetener. Let me try the citrus one first. It does taste citrusy. It looks like a picture of a lemon and a picture of maybe an orange. Could have been more citrusy, I think. So let me try the Tropical Splash. This is a picture of a pineapple. I'm not sure if this is like a mango or a papaya. You do taste the stevia is like an aftertaste after you finish drinking. These are vegetarian and gluten-free. I think I like this tropical one better, Tropical Splash. You do kind of taste the pineapple and maybe mango. I think that's what I'm tasting anyway. This one is just kind of generic citrus fruit. So let's see, I think I'll give the Citrus Medley A- and the Tropical Splash one an A. So anyways, I'm going to take another sip and I'll see you in the next one.